Hi, salam, namaste, sat sri akal, jai jinendra to all my listeners, all my co-planetians. I am Kanisha here again today. Welcome you all to my channel For Others Yet For Self. So first of all, let me begin the day with I love you all. I love you all, my dear co-planetians. Here I am again today with my episode 2. But before we begin episode 2, we'll just play a game. Okay? So game is simple. It's just a question which you need to think upon. So the question is, what are you not happy about today? Okay. I'll count until you think. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So, it may be one thing, it may be many things, the list may go endless, or it may be nothing which you are not happy about. So, let me just guess a few common things. It's Sunday and the maid is on leave. Okay, you had a tiff with your parent or your spouse or your child, or maybe being Sunday also you had to wake up early. You're not able to get rid of your daily errands, crap, or you're fed up of your EMIs, or maybe you're not having enough money today, or you want to think about something, but money is something which is bothering you. The list may go endless. Okay, fine. Let us flip the question. So, whom did you thank today? I'll just give you 10 seconds, okay? Whom did you thank today since morning? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let me guess. Did you thank your spouse for that lovely tea? Did you thank your child for getting good percentage and bringing you smile? Did you thank your parent to hold your life so easily? Or did you maybe you thanked your maid for coming on Sunday? Or maybe I'm afraid you didn't thank anybody. So this is a question to ponder upon. You didn't thank upon anybody. Or maybe I didn't thank upon anybody today. So here's an episode 2 again from my life which I want to share with you. So it's 17 years ago when I got married, just a college pass out, and had to take commands of my new house and my new fresh hands. So the first thing which had come to my mind was, guess what? Not cooking, but cleanliness, being a bit OCD. So the cleanliness was my first question, and looking at the surrounding people, I also purchased some local brand of phenyl and detergent. Okay, my life started, and the rainy season occurred just after 2 months. So there were flies buzzing around on the floor, and which irritated me, annoyed me a lot throughout the day. So now what? Because I had never seen such thing in my house, in my mom's house. It's not that I belong to some riches. I belong to a middle class family, right? So, but then this flies and all, I didn't witness that. Okay, so I had to ponder upon, because that was irritating me. It was a everyday thing. Even I used to mop twice a day, yet there were flies everywhere, and it irritates, right? So I had to think. I recalled what my mom used, and I started using them. And believe me, co-planetians, still today I use the same brand because it helped me. You know, after using that brand, hardly there were one or two flies which could land up not on the floor even, which would land up on the tabletops or somewhere where we don't use Lysol, correct? So that from that day till now, I use Lysol to keep myself happy, my peace intact, right? Forget about the hygiene, cleanliness and everything. Yeah, that is mandatory to me. So that mandatory thing only would bring me happiness. So for my happiness, I've never stopped that. Okay, so here's again a second incident. Recently I shifted my house, and the people whom I had hired for some interior work, they had created a mess in my washroom. There were stains everywhere, and again, as I told you earlier, being a bit OCD, So the cleanliness matters to me. So I had to think upon, because in my old house, old me used a detergent. Now that didn't help me here. So I had to do something. So what I did, I brought Harpic, and genuinely, believe me, it helped me. It helped me a lot, and my washroom sparkled. I'm sorry to share this washroom thing with you, but this is what is going to bring the point of the day. So the washroom sparkled, and this particular thought gave me a thought that okay, fine. See, when we are unhappy, what we do? We change the brand. If we have bought something from, say, a showroom, we'll go there, we'll exchange it, we'll get it exchanged, we'll complain. Correct. So if we have brought something online, say from Amazon or Flipkart or anywhere, any other online shopping cart, we may return it, we may get it exchanged. Okay. So this would be regarding our maybe clothes or maybe accessories or something which we look upon very in a very fancied manner. But what about the day-to-day things, which actually keeps our life in place, fixed? So, so this is a day-to-day thing, right? So I had to think upon. So okay, fine. What I can do? Do we actually ever thank our grocery people? No. Do we thank DMart as well? No. It brings certain goodies to us at a cheaper rate, but we don't thank. We just remain a loyal customer to that thing because it brings happiness to us. Okay, it fixes our budget, but we don't thank. So here I came upon a thought that I want to thank this company. So I just picked up the bottles, and yeah, luckily both the brands belong to the same company, and I wrote a thank you mail that yes, that their brands help me till today, and my life is easy with their brands. So thank you so much. So here the question comes: what do we do in our daily life? We thank our parent because they have brought us up, right? They have fulfilled their responsibilities in the best possible manner. We thank our spouse for fixing many things in life. We thank our children. We love our children. And we thank our maids. Sometimes many of us do not. I've started thanking. So we thank our maids. Then even the helpers, say peons, or even a sweeper of our apartment, of our building. How we thank them? We give them so-called बख्शिश. तो ये सब तो करते हैं हम, लेकिन ये जो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं, क्या वो उन्हें हम थैंक यू बोलते हैं क्या? जब वो हमारे लिए लाइफ में काम करती है, क्या उन्हें हम थैंक यू बोलते हैं? नहीं बोलते हैं। और उन्हें थैंक यू इसलिए भी बोलना है, क्यों बोलना है? क्योंकि everybody likes appreciation. I also like appreciation a lot. So appreciation अगर हमें पसंद है तो उन्हें भी तो पसंद है ना, तो क्यों हम उन्हें भी appreciation नहीं दें? सोचो उस कंपनी के मैनेजर, क्वालिटी कंट्रोल डिपार्टमेंट मैनेजर, और the technician, or even the person who composes chemical formula for us. Everybody would feel happy, and at the end, giving this, we would feel happy. So this is what I did, my dear co-planetians. I wrote a mail to them, thanking them. Definitely it is not going to bring me any discount or any offer. It's okay. I didn't write the mail with that concept in my mind. I wrote the mail because I genuinely wanted to thank them for making my life easy. So here's a homework for you. Oh my God, don't be afraid for that word homework, but it's a genuine thing. Take out a minute in your life and think about any one or two products of your day-to-day life. Mail them or put a message to them that yes, it helps, it works. They also want to know whether their product works or not. Of course, the sales manager must be checking whether the sales are going up, are they stagnant, are they same, or are they going down. If they are going down, so they will work upon, okay, the product has some quality issues. Forget about that, but at least let us take our responsibility as a co-planetian, that if somebody is doing something good, let us thank them. So when we thank them, it will bring a smile to us. So again, as I say, for others, yet for self. And believe me, when you will write this mail, believe me, when you will write this message, I appreciate if you would mail, but if there's no option of putting a mail, you can put a message as well. So, if you are doing this and it brings a smile to you, it will bring a smile to you. It would bring a smile to them, but it will bring a smile to you. So, my dear co-planetians, as I convey the message, for others, yet for self. So, closing for today, if